Computer presentation made by Shreya Singh of class 9th B. What is a token? The smallest individual unit in a program is known as a token or lexical units. In fact, every unit that makes a sentence is a token. Java has the following types of tokens: keywords, identifiers, literals, punctuators, and operators. Keywords. Keywords are the words that convey a special meaning to the language compiler. These are reserved for special purpose and must not be used as normal identifier names. Examples of keywords: byte, char, class, do, double, else, float, for, goto, if, import, int, public, static, this, try, void, and while. True, false, and null might seem like keywords, but they are actually reserved words used as literals and cannot be used as identifiers. Identifiers. Identifiers are the names given to identify different building blocks of a program, such as a variable, class, method, etc. Identifiers forming rules of Java state the following. First, identifiers can have alphabets, digits, and underscore and $sign characters. Second, they must not be a keyword or boolean literal or null literal. Third, they must not begin with a digit. Fourth, they can be of any length. Fifth, Java is case sensitive. That is, uppercase letters and lowercase letters are treated differently. The following are some valid identifiers. My file, date 9_7_77 is letter or digit, file 13. The following are some invalid identifiers. Brick, because it is a reserved keyword. 29 CLCT, because it is starting with a digit. Literals. Literals, often referred to as constants, are data items that are fixed data values. Java allows several kinds of literals: integer literals, floating literals, boolean literals, character literals, string literals, and the null literals. Integer literals. Integer literals are whole numbers without any fractional part. Java allows three types of integer literals: decimal integer literals, base 10. Example 1, 2, 3, 4. Octal integer literals, base 8. Example, decimal integer 8 will be written as 0, 1, 0 as octal integer. Hexadecimal integer literals, base 16. Example, decimal 12 will be written as 0xc as hexadecimal integer. Floating literals. Floating literals are also called real literals. Real literals are numbers having fractional parts. These may be written in one of the two forms: fractional form, example 2.0; exponent form, example 152E05. Boolean literals. A Boolean literal is always of type Boolean. It is either Boolean value true or Boolean value false. Character literals. A character literal is one character enclosed in single quotes, as in Z. Examples: horizontal tab, backslash, single quote. String literals. Multiple character constants are treated as string literals. Following are legal string literals: ABC, size 6 bytes, each character takes 2 bytes. Seema's pen, size 22 bytes, 11 characters, 2 bytes each. The null literals. The null type has one value, the null reference, represented by the literal null, which is formed from sky characters. The null literal is always of the null type. Punctuators. The following 9 sky code characters are the punctuators or the separators. Parenthesis, curly brackets, square brackets, semicolon, comma and full stop. Operators. Operators are special symbols that cause an action to take place. The following 37 tokens are the operators in Java. Thank you for watching.